When people talk about the future of work, they often speak about it as if it's something that will arrive years from now. But I think the future of work is already here. Artificial intelligence is already influencing how people communicate, create content, conduct research, solve problems, make decisions, build marketing, develop logos, so on and so forth. And many organizations are already integrating AI into their daily operations. I know this person, I work for a tech startup company. That means today's students will enter a workforce that looks very different from the one many of us entered. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, but it does require preparation. Schools have always played a critical role in helping students prepare for the future of work. The challenge today is understanding what that future actually looks like. Students will need technical skills, but they'll also need critical thinking, adaptability, communication, collaboration, so on and so forth, right? And the ability, most importantly, to work alongside technology. The future workforce won't just reward what people know, it will reward how well people learn, adapt, and solve problems. That's why these conversations matter. Because the future of work isn't coming, it's already here. And that is what we have to always remember. I'm Dr. Christopher Stubbs, and I help schools and educational leaders prepare for the future of learning and work.